Hi everyone, I just bought this ridiculously named air blower from Amazon called a Hoofun. We've had an air blower for a long time which I received to review and have used it most days ever since. Let me just tell you, it packed in eventually this week and I had to buy a replacement, so I went to Amazon. This air duster comes complete with manual in English, cover, the cordless duster itself, air blower itself, USB charged, comes complete with the USB lead, a cleaning brush if it's ever needed, and a whole shed load of attachments. It's for doing very small items, quite biggish ones, etc. And this one, which I would use generally. Let me just tell you one of the uses that I have for it. Alright, there's going to be a noise. Whoop! It's quite powerful, as you can tell. It just blew the box away there. This is good. I like it. Alright, so what did I actually buy it for? We have a robot vacuum, and the vacuum needs cleaning every now and then. Fills with cat hairs, and underneath is a filter. Well, you can imagine the state the filter gets in, so you simply empty the cat hairs out.
Dustbin installed.
Took me a couple of seconds to empty all the cat hairs into the bin. However, as you'll see, the filter is absolutely clogged with dust. Why would I want to blow that out with an air blower? Those filters, you get spares, but they're not free, obviously, and you've got to replace them every now and then. I've been using this vacuum now for, well over a year, and never replaced anything, purely and simply because of the air blower. I can clean the underside out, clean this out, but let me show you specifically. I'm going to take my new air blower, and with the aid of a head torch, you probably won't be able to hear me once I get outside because of the noise from the blower itself. I don't know how well you can see that. Take a look at that, good as new. There are 1,000 other uses for this. Rechargeable. I haven't yet checked to see how long the rechargeable battery lasts, but the torch incidentally comes on automatically when I hold the button in. Is that neat? Okay. And there it is, back in the vacuum, closed up and ready to go.
Starting to clean.
Okay. I'll just make sure you've got everything there. Hoofun Airduster. And there it is, Type-C charging 2 amps, so a standard Type-C, a standard USB charger, not the high voltage jobs, a standard USB charger will charge that. Now it actually says somewhere here, charging, please use AC cable to charge, no CC cable. What they mean is no Type-C to Type-C cable. They don't want you to use a multi-voltage charger, just an ordinary one. Well, the label's on there. I'm going to leave it on. That's handy. And this has got a nice little felt case. Okay, while I'm here, I decided I would fit the small head to this. This is going to be really handy. You see the state of my keyboard. I don't know if you can see the dust inside an otherwise beautiful looking keyboard. There it goes. Not a bad job really, and I'm sure there are many other uses for this that I've not thought of yet.